Hey everyone, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers, standing in our auction facility here, the big 200,000 square footer. We have room for every great car. We always have great cars. We want you to come and see some of the great cars that we have today, including this one, 1946 Delahaye. Great looking car, stunning coachwork, body tag on the side with that W. Those of you that know the W might know what it is. For those of you that don't, Swiss coach builder Worblaufen. So incredible custom coach work on this car. Phenomenal use of the lines and designs. The bright work ties in all the way back, the spats on the back. Custom body Delahaye, really a great car. The kind of car that gets you on tours, events, concours, shows, and most of all, it's just a great car that you can love, drive, and enjoy. Phenomenal design, as I said before. Colors are phenomenal. All the little detail work on some of these French cars are phenomenal. The blue piping on the tan hides is really something to see. Contrast really sets off well. You have the opportunity for top down if you like, top up if the weather's not exactly what you like. So I love a car like this. Sometimes when you take a car on a tour in the mornings, it's a little crisp, it's a little cool. You got the top up, you got your windows up, you're nice and cozy, comfortable, still driving in incredible style. And then when the weather warms up after lunch, boom, top goes down. Really changes the look of the car. It's a phenomenal look. This car is going to sell at our Enthusiast Auction the 26th and the 27th of April, so not too far away now. Love to see you guys come out and join us in Auburn. You can see this car and a lot of their great ones. Hope to see you there.